Okay, something very important about Windows 7PAD is the Millennium tool. The Millennium tool is in your taskbar to the right, and it's the icon with the green cog. There you go, there it is. That's Millennium. First screen you can see there, you can change your auto screen rotation and your visual effect. See if I flip Windows 7PAD now, it's not rotating, but if I turn auto screen rotation on, boom, it's rotated. It's actually quite fast, responsive. I'll just change the camera spec here. There you go. And then if I flip it again, as you can see, it's very responsive actually. There's no and there's also a visual effect that you can tap, but when you do that one, it'll last a bit longer. If you start counting, the screen will be black a bit longer. There you go. Auto rotation on Windows 7PAD. So without the visual effect, once again, you can just see the build up of the screen there if you turn off visual effect, but the speed is much better. So that's auto screen rotation. You can do it manually with these two buttons here with circles. You can go left or right manually if you want to. What else is good in Millennium? Basically it's a function controller as well, so you can control whether or not your wireless LAN, your Wi-Fi is on or off, your Bluetooth is on or off, and in case of a 208 version, your 3G and GPS function is on or off. And that's also where the LED comes in, because if you switch all these three off, the little blue LED here disappears, and if you switch one of them on, the little blue LED here comes back on. So you can just swipe them on off as you wish. And then another thing is the brightness control, and I'll do that. Okay, so the Millennium toolbar Millennium tool also allows you to select your brightness of the screen, so you can either go way up, or you can go way down. This is basically doing it manually, or you could do it with the auto adjust, because there's a light sensor here. So if you flip on auto adjust, it'll automatically adjust the screen. If I put my finger over it, see it darkens. I'm not sure if you get to see this very well. And if I were to put a light bulb here, then boom, the screen would go on quite quickly. But you can turn it off as you wish, and put it manually as you like it. Screen brightness. Okay, once again the Millennium tool. So we've seen the auto screen rotation on the first one here. Second one is the function control for your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and your 3G GPS. Third one is your brightness control, whether or not to use the light sensor that's integrated or not. And here, the little plus sign here, that's your hotkey. That's situated here on your Windows 7PAD. You can basically use the hotkey as a shortcut for any kind of executable that you have on the device. So let's say I want to start the webcam with it, then I have to know where it is. For me here it's on the desktop. So I use AMCAP, I do open, and AMCAP.exe gets filled in here. Not sure if you're really seeing this correctly. Maybe that's a bit better. So there's your AMCAP.exe, but it's still not working. See, because if I tap here, it's not doing anything yet. That's because I haven't switched it on yet. There you go, it's a green button now. If I tap here now, look, there's my webcam coming on. There you go, and you can naturally do that several times. You can add whatever executable you want to the hotkey shortcut. So that's another application for that Touch Hotkey up there.